Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will teach the tandoori chicken in the oven, which is completely restaurant style and is made at home. This is a quick and an easy recipe and it's grilled to perfection and also super juicy from inside. So let's quickly get started. First, I'm marinating the chicken with yogurt, ginger and garlic paste, black pepper powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also use any other red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, lemon juice, tandoori masala powder. I have used the Everest brand. If you don't have it, you can just skip it. A pinch of food color, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mixing all these ingredients very well together so that all the masalas are well combined, and then I'm going to wrap it up with a cling wrap and keep it in the refrigerator for approximately 2 hours or more. Placing these guys in the grill rack for grilling, I'm going to brush these, or you can say rub these gently with a mixture of melted butter and garlic powder. The mixture of butter and garlic powder will give an amazing flavor to these guys and will help in grilling these to perfection. I have already preheated the oven in 350 Fahrenheit and going to set the cook timer for 20 to 25 minutes and going to bake it. I'm keeping the chicken in the middle rack, going to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it is completed, I'm going to turn the chicken pieces, going to brush the marinated chicken with butter, and again going to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for another 20 to 25 minutes. Now the chicken is completely cooked, and to brown the chicken, I am going to broil it at 500 Fahrenheit for approximately 10 minutes on each side. The chicken is out of the oven and I'm covering the edges of the bones with foil. Serve these tandoori chicken right out of the oven, warm and hot. This is going to be an amazing appetizer to share with your family and friends in any occasion. These tender, juicy and soft chicken from inside and grilled to perfection from outside will be a perfect restaurant recipe which is baked at home. Please do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications all the time when I upload a new video. See you soon. Bye bye.